Welcome to Professor Dr. Grace's graphic class. Please watch the ad until the end so you can receive better content. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the area type tool, which lets you type text inside a closed path object. Prepare the paragraph text and the closed path object for this tutorial. I recommend that the paragraph be justified with the last line aligned left by pressing Ctrl-Shift-J. Select the area type tool, and then highlight the entire paragraph. Press Ctrl-X to cut and copy. Select the empty text box and press Delete to delete it. Click the heart and press Ctrl-V to paste the paragraph. When you click a closed path object with the area type tool, it will convert to a text box and also lose its path color. Hold down Ctrl, select the header object, and click to convert it to a text box, and press Ctrl-V to paste the paragraph. Once again, hold down Ctrl, select the body object, and click to convert it to a text box, and press Ctrl-V to paste the paragraph. Basically, text box has a rectangular shape, but you can use the area type tool to convert any shape of closed path to a text box and type text therein. Alright, that's all about the area type tool. Thank you for watching Professor Dr. Grace's Illustrator lecture. Please watch the next video in order to follow all the courses without skipping a lesson. To keep learning and master Illustrator, please press the subscribe and the like buttons.